We need your support. Click the like buttons below. Now onto the video. Welcome to readtheticker.com. Today we're going to look at gold mining junior stocks, the GDXJ. Now first we obviously notice a very long base from mid 2013 to about 2021. It's a very good Wyckoff accumulation. Okay, we've got some strength here, the resistance, a terminal shakeout, a very good sign of strength here, a back up to the creek, and now we're looking to probably have an advance. This is the last point of supply, and now we're looking at having an approach into the markup. So this is the Wyckoff world. We've got good volume there, so everything's looking pretty good. I thought the Wyckoff world's pretty clear. This is obviously attracting a lot of big players. It's bound to get marked up pretty soon. Obviously, no doubt, we're probably going to tickle 100. So that's the Wyckoff view. Let's have a look at some Gann tricks. So I have the chart set up as a 1-to-1 price chart. That means the pixels on the x-axis and the pixels on the y-axis are equal relative to time and price. So the first little test I've done a bit of a study, so I worked out if I put my bullish Gann angles there, I find there's a relationship between the 2-to-1, the 1-to-1 and the 1-to-2. It all looks pretty good, so the timing's pretty good. Okay, you notice that? So everything's looking pretty good there. I sort of foresaw that happening. So that's one Gann angle that looked attractive. And we might have a look at, here's the old high. If we draw a vertical line, hold down the V key and draw a vertical line. We go down to 0. We can draw Gann angles from 0, as well as the highs and lows. So I'll draw a little Gann angle there. As you can see here, we had a pattern build up here. So Gann looks at time, price and pattern. So we had a nice pattern on the angle here reversing. So that would have helped people trying to work out when the low was coming in. And obviously we had another pattern up here. So Gann angles are working in this chart. And obviously it was a resistance point there. Here we go. A few resistance points here, but obviously the 45 angle found that resistance there. I should say support, sorry. So that Gann angle arrangement from the 0 on the date of the high is very important. And as you can see, the pattern has been built up upon it. Okay. Also, if we look at time, if I take the high here and the first significant low, wait a minute, missed that. Come on. It also married up with the end of the downtrend. If I take time again, I take from the May, this is a pretty important high here. What am I doing? There we are. Okay, it's a pretty important high there. If I take a time from there to the significant high here, we actually get a period of how this consolidation is equal. See how the symmetry and all that? Okay. If I wanted to get real keen, there's your cycle, time cycle, pretty equal. So what's been going on in this accumulation here has an equal relationship, and we're obviously seeing a major change in the cycle here. That's a bullish cycle. So have another look at Gann angle. So I'm going to take the preview. This is an important high. I'm going to take that height there. I take that height there because it's the preceding high from this one here. So this one here has been overcome. Then I go down to, I'm going to take this preceding high here, just draw my vertical line. Okay, so we can draw Gann angles from this point up here, bearish Gann angles. So we can draw bearish Gann angles from, we can draw Gann angles from highs and lows, the zero on the date of an important low or important high, and we can draw Gann angles from the date of an important high or low from a previous high or low. Alright, that's basically squaring the range. As we can see here, this Gann angle was pretty important there, pretty important at that high there, and it's now putting the breakout. So if I draw the bullish Gann angle there, here we have pretty much have our Gann box, and as you can see there, it's finding a relationship there. So obviously we'll see a wander up to the 75 mark. Looks like it's on the cards. So that's an interesting look at the GDXJ with Wyckoff and Gann and some time cycles. Looks like it's ready to move. Let's keep an eye on it. Thanks for watching.